Welcome back all of my viewers and subscribers. You don't know the something said a day trendy dancer. You don't know where they eat there and this over there. But in other topic and the whole situation, you wipe on the heat there. So what you know, me I go show you some leak video where bust out with Mackerel. This nigga where wipe on him, I eat the tutu, you see it. But anyways, me have the video and leak it through everything and that. So we are gonna jump in a wall of that, you see. But watching the people, as you know already know, you see the artist Huntsman. He have a new single called Banknote. He was the first dancehall artist so far come up with that name. You see me? He's a lyrical artist wanting to give a forward from that one day.
Munchie and two, you know. Chat move, right? Them cat you want search me. She said my sweet she. Pull up on the block 12, I mash up 6:30.
I would say if you really listen it, you get a, you like it more. So go over there, leave a comment, make him know say I'm me, say no. But anyways, for the moment, everybody been waiting for John Oscar. You see the boy eat and now eat anything that he can. We're not gonna really talk about not much about it. We're gonna just show them the footage. Everything will take place, is it? So this is a screenshot from the video. Obviously, if you want to see the video, in the way at the end. But right there, so this is what she have to say, isn't it? And please subscribe if you don't do that as yet.
Shame, I have to say, if I suck him cocky and a goggling bars and a deep throat, that alone I would be ashamed of. So if I have this, then I have nothing to do with me. I him want do it. I be did a drama me a ball out. I be a drama me I say girl, him a drama back you know, him a drama back you know girl. I be a drama, him a drama and a name me. So are we?
Well, on that you come out to the media and say, is me. Anyways, the brother make a video as well and him name Munchie so far that them say, but him a eat and is it.
Yo, bop, boop, bop. It's all about Freaky Friday. You know what it's all about. Big up the girl with the good, nice, taste good pussy, yeah. You hear me I say now, no? It's all about hot and spicy barbecue original. Big up the girls that will come out to know so they smell good and taste good. Any man we have sexy pussy and know say pussy feels so good, it must get taste because you that taste better and feel better for them. Remember me tell you that. Big up it taste good pussy girls, them and that me I tell you I want them come out for. I love it.
So, when I tell me to the boy have AIDS and I come in on my DM and say I have AIDS, that has nothing to do with me, like they should put your age of Francis. Nothing. Because he never have no sex with me. It's just whatever I'm in the video, as much as they say, see, when I talk about Abby is a bad friend. Abby is not a bad friend. Abby is not, I'm not choose no friend no wisely. Abby is not even my face did I cover up. Me glad me never that stop no and him that stop me. But that one that means they only never did it. Only never did it. Like I mean nobody talk about the man have kids. I just thought the man alone some pussy. The man never fucked me. Whatever happened in that video and that alone I'm right this so. And I like him show up in tongue him the man just a lick the place and a go with himself. That not enough to do with me. That alone, I'm right. That's the way we see in the video. Him never fought me, never came and got me. No. So I'm not ashamed.
On peeps, so the end of the video, please do subscribe if you know the style, the trendy, old and stunting, is it. We have all of the leak and the viral and the exposed video, them were just cool, is it.